So green architecture, or green building, or green design, or if you want to use the word coined by Schumacher, appropriate technology is a means to sustainability. We like letters. You know, green architecture has 3 R's. And that's why it's very easy to make green architecture simplified. No? It's simply reduce, reuse, recycle. You've heard that so many times, but in architecture, reducing waste in the construction. Reducing space, maybe looking at the possibility of multi-function spaces. Reusing, what we're going to talk about today is reusing an existing resource, meaning an existing building. Recycle, materials which you can take down, you can actually recycle and use it for another form. So green architecture simplified is simply reuse, reduce, and recycle. Now let's look at this picture. Now that you have an idea of green architecture earlier, I'm sure, no? Some of you may think that green architecture is this, no? Okay, using native materials. Okay, that's great, that's fantastic. Some other people look at this. This is the new green architecture. Green roofs, all sorts of things sticking out of the roof, catching the air, catching the wind, almost like a monster growing out of the ground, no? Okay, that is also green. Look at this thing here. This is a lady about to enter a public toilet in the street, outside. Now this is the picture inside. Actually, it's one-way tint. In other words, from the outside, you cannot see anything inside. But once you're inside, you can see everybody outside. No? Of course, you're just banking on the fact that from the outside, nobody can see you. And it's really difficult, I'm sure. I'm sure it's going to be a cultural issue, no? Especially the ladies. Of starting to take a leak there and you see this guy right, 2 feet away from you, no? Of course, he probably cannot see you, okay? But I brought this up because this is a green toilet. Let me explain. You see this sink here? That is a sink. You wash your hands there. Now the water you use to wash your hands goes into this tank. And that water there in that tank is used to flush the toilet for the next person. See? Introduction to green architecture. It's simply reusing things. Why do we have to flush the toilet with perfectly potable water? Why not recycled water?